everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can use makeup to look little more presentable. Now you can use this if you have any big day ahead you, like if you have any important meetings, or you can even pull this on in any day occasions. So yeah, it is very minimalistic and very much beginner friendly as well. So if you are interested in seeing this video, then please continue watching. Okay, so the first thing first, I have already applied moisturizer and lip balm, and if you are going out, definitely apply sunscreen as well. And the next thing, the next concern I have is to hide my dark circle and some pimple marks over there. So I know that mostly beginners might not use concealer, but everyone have foundation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my foundation as my concealer. So I'm going to use this foundation and I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand. Just a little bit, very little amount. And I'm going to use this to first hide my dark circle. You can use your finger, it's absolutely fine. If you have brush, you can use that as well. But I don't know if all of you have brushes or not, so I'm going to use fingers. And on my own, I mostly use fingers as well. Also, make sure the foundation you are using is your exact shade match. 1 or 2 shades darker than your skin tone is still going to work. Like the foundation I am using is 1 shade darker than my skin tone, so I use it only to hide my dark circles. But if the foundation is lighter than your skin tone, then it is going to look ashy. It is not going to look good, so make sure the foundation you are using is your exact shade match. It is very important. It definitely looks much better. My under eye circles are quite covered up. What I'm going to do is to try to hide this unwanted guest right there. Do not try to pull the foundation over your face, just dab it little bit. That's how you are going to get most of the coverage. Even if it doesn't get covered completely, it's fine. Don't apply too much product to just hide this. Try a little. If it doesn't get covered, then leave it like that, it's fine. One thing that we often ignore is the hyperpigmentation we have around our mouth. Most of our Indian girls have this. We have darkness around our mouth. So it's really important to hide that as well. That makes a huge difference. Once you try it, and you can see what difference it makes. I don't know if you can see or not, but this part already looks much better than this part. You see, hiding your hyperpigmentation is really important. When you are blending, make sure there is no stark line. If you see any stark line, immediately blend that using your fingers. Yeah, I think I'm done. Okay, so once you are done applying the foundation, the next task is to set it immediately, and you can use any compact powder for this. We all have at least one compact powder like this, so you can use that. But use a very little amount, and set all of the places where you have applied the foundation, all of the places. So I have powdered my face, and you can already see a difference. My skin looks much more even toned than previous, but still nobody can say that I have applied foundation, because it looks very natural and my dark circles and my pimple marks are still visible. So it looks natural but a little more even tone, and that's exactly what we wanted. So for the next step, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this pencil for this. I'm going to mention all the details in the description box as usual. You should never skip your eyebrows because eyebrows literally frame our face. And this is a very inexpensive pencil. This is just for 65 rupees. So it is pocket friendly and beginner friendly as well. I'm going to mention the links or the names in the description box so that you can easily find it out. Now moving on to eyes, I'm not going to do much for my eyes. I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara because once you start applying mascara, it's an addiction. You cannot leave it. Do not forget your bottom lashes. Once you are done applying mascara, if you like to apply eyeliner or kajal, you can apply that as well. I'm not going to apply any eyeshadows or kajals or anything. But what I'm going to apply is a brown kajal. No, this is the eyebrow. I'm going to apply a brown kajal, and it is not purely visible on your eyes, but it gives a very beautiful shadow. It creates a very beautiful shadow. That's what I love about this pencil. So I'm lightly going to apply it. Okay, so for the second last and the last step, I'm going to use the same product. I'm going to use this. First, I'm going to use this as my blush. You can always use your liquid lipsticks as your blush. First, I'm going to take it little bit on the back of my hand because when I directly apply it, I apply too much. And I'm going to take little bit from here. And I'm going to blend it on my cheeks. So I have applied my blush, and if you are not comfortable using a blush, you can definitely skip this. Next, I'm going to use the same lipstick on my lips. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope the video was helpful enough for you, and all the products I have shown in the video is going to be listed in the description box, so definitely do not forget to check that out. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video.